Carson. I'm one of the founders of PUPPR, a dog training app you can download on iOS and Android. Today I'm going to be showing you how to teach your dog to do figure eights. We're just going to be using Archer's regular kibble, and I'm going to bring him over and have him sit on my left-hand side. Okay, sit. Using his kibble, I'm going to lure him through my legs and reward him after each pass. Good. Yes. Yes. Good job, buddy. Good. Yes. Very nice. Now that Archer is showing that he's comfortable going underneath me, we're going to do that without. He's very extra. So we're going to try that again. Now that he's comfortable going through our legs, sit. I'm going to just point and stay still. Yes, good boy. Now we're going to add a verbal cue and stop pointing. And what I typically do for my dogs is I lean side to side. Go back, go through, 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 through. Yes, good boy. Ready, go bed down. I would say Archer really enjoys that trick. I do want to point out that we're using some Greatmats on our floor. It helps with the dog's traction and gives them a little bit of cushioning for some of the higher impact tricks that we do. I hope you enjoy training your dog and have fun.